رحيم أبناء وبناتي طلاب الأعزاء طلبة الصف الثاني الإعدادي لغات، ازيكم يا أبنائي؟ عاملين إيه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. مكملين من كتاب المعاصر lesson number 4 unit 2 continue factorizing special case. Second lesson, difference between two squares. Insert sum of two cubes and the difference between them. Look at with me about factorizing, like a power 2 subtract b power 2. We can write two factors. The first a plus b product by second factor a minus b. Okay, we call this the difference between the squares of two numbers. Look at steps here about write yourself. Number 1, factorize each of the following. We have the difference between two factors squared, x power 2 subtract by 16. We can factorize two brackets here. X power 2 equal x by x and 16 equal 4 by 4. Write negative and positive. It was question number 2. Number 1. Question number 2. 100 subtract by y power 4. 100 subtract by y power 4 equal. We can open two brackets. 100 equal 10 by 10. Write negative positive y power 4 the y power 2 product by y power 2. And question number 3. We have 0.4 x power 4 y power 2 subtract by 1. We can factorize product between two brackets. We have 2 tenths product by 2 tenths, and x power 4 will be x power 2 times x power 2, y power 2 y times y, negative and positive 1 and 1. Okay. Next question. Try to yourself. Number 2. As each of the following completely, we have 2x power 4 plus 18 x power 2. You can write two head cofactor between two terms. We have 2x power 4 subtract by 18. Okay. Subtract by 18x power 2. We can write two head cofactor between two terms and also x power 2. And then we can divide it. 2 divided by 2, 1. X power 4 divided x power 2, x power 2. Write negative. 18 divided by 2 equal 9. X power 2 divided x power 2, it will be 1. And then you can complete, write 2x power 2 outside and factorize the expression. We have x power 2 equal x times x, and 9 equal 3 by 3, x by x, and 3 by 3, negative and positive. This is question number 1. Questions number 2. 5 subtract by 1 over 5 x power 2. We can write 5 head cofactor between two terms. Write 5 outside. Okay, we can write fifths also height cofactor between them, but 5 it's a height. Okay, you want to find the guess cofactor between 5 and fifths will be 5. 5 divided by 5 equal 1, and 5th divided by 5 it will be 1 over 25x power 2. And then we can factorize this expression product by two factors, 1 times 1, and write negative and positive 1 over 5x product by 1 over 5x. Okay, it's question number 2. Number 3. We have y power 4 subtracted by 625. We can factorize the expression. Y power 4 equal y power 2 times y power 2. Write negative times positive. Write 25 product by 25. And then you can factorize this expression. Y power 2 minus 25, y times y, and negative 5 times positive 5. And y power 2 plus 25, we can factorize this. Next question, number 4. We have 2 product by a minus b subtract by 2x power 2 product by a minus b. We can raise the head cofactor between two terms, we have this brackets repeating, write a minus b had factors, then this expression divided by a minus b equal 2, and also we can write 2 outside because 2 repeated. Okay, write 2 product by a minus b divided itself, it will be 1, subtract by 2 divided by 2 1, and write x power 2, and a minus b divide itself, it be 1. We can write 2 outside, product by a minus b, and then factorize this expression. 1 times 1 equal 1, x power 2, x times x, write negative and positive. Okay, that's question number 4. Next question, try it yourself. Number 3, question number 1, complete. If a minus 2b equal 4 plus 2b equal 8, then a power 2 subtract by a 4b power 2. Okay, we can factorize this expression. Right, a power 2 subtract by 4b power 2. A times a equal a power 2. Right, 2b times 2b, right, negative and positive. He gives us in the information here a subtract by 2b equal 4, product by a plus 2b equal 8. 4 times 8 equal 32. Next question, number 2. We want to find the difference between n power 2 and m power 2. We can factorize, write n minus m, product by n plus m, and n minus m equal 2, product by n plus m equal 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Question number 3. We want to find the difference between x power 2 and y power 2. We can write 2 brackets, x times x, x power 2, y power 2, y times y, write negative and positive. And then you can put the value of x minus y. X minus y, where he give us in this information 2x plus 2y was equal 8. We can divide it by 2 to samples, then x plus y equal 4. And also give us in this information here 3x minus 3y. We can divide it by 3. Right, 3x minus 3y equal 21. We can divide it by 3, then x minus y equals 7. Then we can put the value here of x minus y was 7, product by x plus y was 4. 4 times 7 equal 28. Then the result here will be 28. Okay, next question. Number 4, if x minus y equal 3 and 5x power 2 minus 5y power 2 equals 75, then x plus y. 5x power 2 subtract by 5y power 2 equals 75. Divided by 5, then x power 2 subtract by y power 2 equal what? Equal 15. Then we can factorize this expression, product between x by x and y times y, negative positive equal 15. Okay, he give us x minus y equal 3, then 3 product by what? Equal 15, 3 product by 5, then x plus y equal 5. Use factorization to facilitate finding the value of each of the following. Number 1, we have 75 power 2 subtract by 25 power 2. We can write 75 times 75 and 25 times 25, write negative and positive. 75 subtract by 25 equal 50. Reduct by 100 will be 5,000. And also next question number 2, 95 power 2 subtract by 25. We can write 95 product by 95, and 5 times 5, 25, write negative and positive. And the difference between them equal 90 product by sum of them equal 100. Then the result will be 9,000. Question number 3. 31 times 29. 31 equals 30 plus 1, and 29 30 minus 1. Okay, it's meaning what? 30 times 30 equal 300. 30 times itself and 1 times 1. 30 times 30 equal 900. Subtract by 1 equal 899. It's the difference between two numbers. Next question. Now we factorize sum or difference between cubic two numbers. Difference between two cubes or the sum of two cubes. We can raise the rule here. Look at with me. Next question about try yourself number 5. Factorize each of the following in the simplest form. Okay. Number 1. X power 3 plus 64. We can write brackets small and long brackets. Cubic root of x power 3, it will be x, and the cubic root of 64 equal 4. X here it will be x power 2, and 4 power 2 equals 16. And in the middle, 4 times x, write negative 4x. First times second, change the sign. The result will be negative 4x. Understood? Question number 2. We have 8a power 3 subtract by 125b power 3. We have the difference between two cubes. We can brackets here, draw the brackets, small brackets and greater brackets, and then find the cubic root of the first and the second. Cubic root of 8a power 3 it will be 2a, and the cubic root of 125 it will be 5b. Subtract here like this, and then write 2a power 2 it will be 4a power 2, and 5b power 2 it will be 25b power 2. And the middle, first times second, change the sign, it will be positive. 2 times 5 10 ab. It's question number 2. Okay, number 3. One over 27 x power 3 plus 1000. We can factorize brackets, small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first 1 over 3x, and cubic root of 1000 it will be 10, and third x power 2 it will be 1 over 9x power 2, and 10 power 2 it will be 100, and the middle here will be first times second, and change the sign, it will be negative 10 over 3x. Now we will solve next question about factorization. Number 6. Factorize each of the following. Number 1. 8x power 3 plus 8. We can write 8 had common factor between two terms. 8x power 3 divided by 8 equal x power 3, and 8 divided by 8 equal 1, and then we can write 8 had common factor between them outside, and cubic root of the first it will be x, cubic root of the second it will be 1, x power 2 it will be x power 2, and 1 power 2 it will be 1, and the middle 1 times x, and change the sign, it will be negative x. Question number 2. Also we can write the had common factor between two numbers. We have 54 x power 4 minus 2x y power 3. We can write 2x had common factor between them, and then divide it. 54 divided by 2 equal 27. X power 4 divided by x equal power 3, and 2 divided by 2 1, x divided by x equal 1, and then y power 3 remainder. You can factorize expression, write small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the 27 x power 3 it will be 3x, and cubic root of y power 3 it will be y, and then 3x power 2 it will be 9x power 2, and negative y power 2 it will be positive y power 2, and the middle write first times second, change the sign, it will be positive here 3xy. Okay, it's question number 2. Number 3, we have a plus b whole power 4 subtract sum of a plus b. We can write هتكون factor between them a plus b, and divide this expression by a plus b, it will be a plus b all power 3 in brackets, subtract by this brackets, divided by itself, it will be 1. And then we can factorize this expression. We write a plus b, and then we can factorize this, write small brackets, okay, product by greater brackets. Cubic root of this brackets will be a plus b. Cubic root of negative 1 will be negative 1, and then a plus b power 2 and negative 1 power 2 1, and the middle first times second, and change the sign, will be positive here a plus b. product between، يعني يا ولاد مركزين كده معايا، انا عندي هنا cubic root of the first والسكند، خلاص كتبت هنا وخدت الكيوبيك روت هنا. هنا بقى الميدل بجيبه بقول له first times second وأدي تشينج الساين اللي عندي اللي هنا، فالنيجاتيف هتبقى بوزيتيف واقول له a plus b times 1 يعني take a plus b. خلاص يبقى ده السوليوشن اللي عندي. اوكي ده simplest form. Understood? Next question. Try it yourself. If x minus y equal 4 and x power 2 minus xy plus y power 2 equal 5 and y power 3 plus y power 3 equal 15, find the value of y power 2 minus x power 2. Okay, we can get the information from the first about x power 3 plus y power 3 equal 15. We can factorize small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first and the second, and x power 2 and y power 2, and the middle first and second change the sign, negative x y. He give us this information in the example. He tell us, look at here, x minus y equal 4 and this bracket was 5. Then 5 product by x plus y equal 15, then x plus y equal 3. We can find the value of x and y. X plus y equal 3. Okay, then we can find the value of y power 2 minus x power 2. We can find the difference between them. Difference between 2 squared, first cube, square root of the first and the second. And then you can find the value of product between two factors. We get x plus y equal 3 and y minus x. Okay, look at with me. He give us x minus y equal 4. خد بالك من حاجة مهمة. هو هنا انت لما جيت عملت فاكتورايزيشن لقيتها y minus x times y plus x. انت خلاص حسبت ال y plus x من الريليشن دي اللي فوق، طلعت منها ان ال x plus y ب 3. طب هو قال لي في الاكزامبل ان يا مستر x minus y ب 4، فبالتالي y minus x هتبقى الانفرس بتاعها، يعني هتبقى تاخد بقى برودكت باي نيجاتيف كده، فيبقى y minus x equal نيجاتيف 4 اللي هو عايزها دي، فيبقى عندي هي نيجاتيف 4 تايمز 3 تطلع الحل بتاعك بنيجاتيف ايه؟ نيجاتيف 12. ده السوليوشن. question try it yourself number 7. اوكي نبدأ نحل الاكزامبلز. بالمناسبة زي ما احنا متعودين يا اولاد، التمارين المعاصر نحلها. تمارين كتاب انا خلصتها كلها في كتاب المدرسة، حليته المنفصل. نحل مع بعض ان شاء الله تمارين منوعة بحيث ان انت تفهم الليسون كله، ونحاول ناخد الافكار ما نسيبش اي فكرة، ومن كتاب المعاصر ان شاء الله. حاول تركز معايا كده. نشوف مثلا question number 11 وازاي نتعامل معاها. عندي هنا x power 4 subtract by 100. We can write brackets, small brackets and greater brackets. Square root of the first will be x power 2 and x power 2. Write negative and positive. Square root of 110 by 10. And then we can factorize also this number. No, we can't factorize. But he won't find solution of factorizing about this number. Okay, it's the simplest form. طبعا يا ولاد انا عندي هنا الاكس باور 2 minus 10، ممكن نقول x times x negative square root of 10 plus square root of 10 وهنا x باور 2 plus 10 زي ما هي. تمام، لان سكوير روت لل 10 تايمز سكوير روت 10 تطلع ب 10 زي اللي هي اللي فوق. استفدنا ان انا عندي هنا كانت x باور 2 فنقدر نعمل فاكتورايزنج لده. خلاص، مهم جدا الكويشن اللي معانا نمبر 14. We have 16a power 6 subtract b power 6 equal. Okay, we can write square root of the first will be 4. Square root of e power 6 will be e power 3. Subtract, and here 4e power 3 plus. We can write square root of e power 6, meaning 6 divided by 2, it will p power 3. And also here p power 3. يعني يا اولاد لما اجي اخد السكوير روت للبي باور 6 بقى 6 divided by 2 تديني 3. فده factorizing equation number 14. Next question number 17. Number 17. One over 25 y power 2 subtract by 49 over 121. Okay, we can write two brackets here. تقدر انت تتعامل معاها بسهولة لان هنا factorizing سهل، لان عندي هنا difference between two squared. يعني هنا brackets وهنا brackets or 1 over 5y وهنا 1 over y. Write negative and positive. Square root of 49 7 and 121 11 and 7 over 11. Question number 2. طبعا كتاب المدرسة حلنا كله. تعال نكمل من المعاصر كده نشوف question زي question number 4. ماشي، ناخد question number 4 نحله مع بعض. Number 4 we have x power 3 y subtract by x y power 5. We can write the head-con factor between them. We have x repeating and y repeating. X power 3 divided by x to be x power 2, y divided by y 1, x divide x1, y power 5 divided by y it will be y power 4. And then we can write xy product by brackets. The brackets here will be x power 2, it will be x by x, and y power 2 y times y. Write negative and positive. Y power 2 and y power 2 because y power 4 equal y power 2 times y power 2. Okay. Next question. Number 12. 3x power 2 subtract by 3 over 16. We can write 3 head-con factor between two terms. 3x power 2 divided by 3 equal x power 2, and this number divided by 3 equal 1 over 60. We can write 3 outside. X power 2 equal x times x, and 1 over 16 equal 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 negative times positive. Okay, next question. Look at with me. Question number 7. X plus y plus 5 all power 2 subtract by x minus y minus 5 all power 2. We have the difference between two powers. You can write two brackets and repeating these brackets times itself, x plus y plus 5, and here x plus y plus 5. Write negative and positive. This expression x minus y minus 5, and this expression by positive x minus y minus 5. تاخد بالك ان النيجاتيف بتغير اكسبريشن، البوزيتيف مش بيغيره، بكتبه زي ما هو. بعد كده بتعمل simplest تقول x plus y plus 5. النيجاتيف هتغير كله، تبقى نيجاتيف x plus y plus 5. وهنا اختصر نيجاتيف y مع بوزيتيف y. ونيجاتيف مع البوزيتيف، فيبقى عندي x and x 2x. هنا نفس الفكرة، x تختصر مع الx بوزيتيف، y plus y equal 2y، 5 plus 5 equal 10 product by 2x. You can complete this expression by write 2 هتكون factor between two terms here. Okay, two terms, write 2 product by 2y plus 5 all product by x. Then we can write 2 times x. The result will be, if we product 2x times 2y, it will be 4y. So you can write 2 outside here, product by x, or 2x like this, product by 2y plus 5. It's the simplest form of this expression. Understood? Next question. Number 8. A minus 2b a minus 2b product by a plus 2b subtract by 5b power 2. This expression we have two conjugate terms we can product with by them, first by first and second by second. A power t, a power 2, 2b times 2b equal 4b power 2, subtract by 5b power 2. Then we have a power 2, negative 4 and negative 5, it will be negative 9 b power 2. A power 2 equal a times a, and write negative and positive 3b and 3b. This is factorization about question number 8. Next question, number 4. We have 32 product by 28. We know 32 equals 30 plus 2 and 28 equals 30 minus 2. And then we can first by first and second by second product. 30 times 30 equal 900, subtract by 2 times 2 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6, and then write 9 and write 8. The result will be 896. Next question, 103. Product by 97. We can write this example equal 100 plus 3 product by 100 minus 3. And then first by first and second by second. We have conjugate terms. First by first, 100 times 100, it will be 10,000. Subtract by 3 times 3, 9. 10 minus 9, 1. And then write 9, 9, 9. 9,991. Question number 6. We have 2x plus y equals 7 and 2x plus y 2x minus y equal 9. Find the numerical value of this expression. We have 4x power 2 subtract by y power 2. We can write 2x minus y product by 2x plus y. Okay, the value of this expression 2x minus y equal 9. Look at here, and 2x plus y equals 7. 7 times 9 equals 63. Then the answer will be 63. Question number 2. We have 1 over 5 y power 2 subtract by 4 over 5 x power 2. We can write 1 over 5 hydrogen factor between two terms. Then this expression will be y power 2, and this expression will be 4x power 2. Write 1 over 5 and then factorize the expression. Y power 2 equal y times y, and write negative and positive. 4x power 2 equal 2x times 2x. Understood? Question number 8. x times y equal 8. Find the numerical value of the expression x plus y all power 2 subtract by x minus y all power 2. We have the difference between 2 squared. We can factorize this to simplest, try to brackets here, and x plus y product by itself. Okay, x plus y times x plus y, right, negative and positive, and this expression x minus y, and here x minus y. We can write x plus y subtract by negative times positive, negative, negative times negative, positive, and here x plus y plus x minus y. تاخد بالك النيجاتيف بتغير اكسبريشن، فلازم تحطه جوه براكتس كده وبعدين توزع. simplest y plus y equal to y. simplest 2x plus x 2x. And the result will be 4xy. 4xy equal, he give us this information, the value of x by y8, then the result will be 4 reduced by x times y equal 8. 4 times 8 equal 32. Then the answer here will be 32. Question number 9 simplifies expression 3a minus 2b minus 2b all power 2 subtract by 3a plus 2b all power 2 plus 24eb. We can factorize expression by how we have here two difference between two squares. Then we can open brackets and also brackets plus 24eb. We can factorize this expression. Pay attention about this. We have first and second. We can repeat this expression here and here. Okay, write 3a minus 2b, and here 3a minus 2b, and then negative here, write negative times positive, negative times positive, negative, and this expression was repeating here and here. Okay, but this expression we must put it inside the brackets. Okay, 3a plus 2b, and here 3a plus 2b, because we have positive, don't change the sign. Okay, and then we can complete the answer. Write 3a minus 2b, negative times positive, negative, negative times positive, negative, and we have 3a minus 2b plus 3a plus 2b plus 24eb. With brackets we can simplest negative 2 and negative 2, it will be negative 4b, and here negative 2b by negative, it will be positive. 3a plus 3 equals 6a plus 24eb. Then negative times positive, it will be negative. Understood? Negative 24, 4 times 6, 24. Okay, negative 24eb plus 24eb, it will be 0 because we have the additive inverse. The answer here will be 0. Okay, this question decor. The length of square firm is 30 centimeter and the length of square side x. We want to find the area of colored part. What is the expression for the area surrounding picture factored form؟ يعني يا أولاد أنا هجيب الاريا بالنسبة للسكوير outside والانسايد ونجيب ال difference between them. outside square يبقى 30 power 2 subtract by area of small square equal side by side x power 2. 30 power 2 subtract by x power 2. Okay, understood? Then the area equal, we can factorize it. 30 minus x product by 30 plus x. Okay, the length of square firm is 30 centimeter and it can hold square photo. The length of photo x centimeter. Write expression for area surrounding the picture in factored form. Area equals 30 minus x product by 30 plus x square centimeter. يعني وعايز الاريا عن طريق فورمه تكتبها مش تعوض، يعني مفيش فاليو الاكس نعوض بيها. Next question number 13. One of the city's neighborhoods expand square plaza side length of 20 meters, so that the side length of square after expansion 20 plus x meters. Find the increase area factorized form. We can draw the area 1 like this square. يعني بيقول لي احد الاحياء بتزيد الاريا بتاعتها، كانت على شكل الشيب عندي سكوير، وكان السايد لينس هنا 20 متر زائد الى 820 بلس اكس. ماشي. طيب he won't find the area increased، عايز اعرف مقدار الزياده قد ايه الاريا اللي عندك. طيب يبقى انا لازم اجيب area 1 and area 2 then find the difference between together. اوكي، انا اجيب area 1 بالنسبه للاريا الصغير اللي عندك والكبير. طبعا الكبير ناقص الصغير، لما تيجي تحلها بتاخد area 1 write 20 plus x all power 2 subtract by 20 power 2. okay, then the answer will be 20 plus x was repeating also 20 plus x, and then write negative and positive, write 20 times 20. We can cancel 20 by 20, then we have x product 20 plus 20 equal 40, 40 plus x. The area equal x times 40 plus x square meter. Number 5. Factorize 125 plus e power 3 cubic root of 25 5 plus a and 5 power 2 25 a power 2, it will be a power 2 in the middle first and second change the sign negative 5a. Next question number 9. X power 3 y power 3 plus 8. We can open small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first xy and here power 2 x power 2 y power 2. Cubic root of 8 equal 2 and 2 power 2, it will be 4. And the middle first and second change the sign negative 2xy. Question number 7. m power 3 plus 64 n power 3. We can factorize expression small and great. Cubic root of the first and the second, cubic root of 64 equal 4n, and then n power 2 equal n power 2, 4n power 2 equals 16n power 2, and the middle first and second change the sign, it will be negative 4mn, and this will be positive all the time. Okay, next question. We have question number 15. L power 3 subtract by 125 okay, we can factorize by open two brackets small and greater. Cubic root of the first, it will be L, and L power 2, it will be L power 2. Alright, negative cubic root of this number will be 1 over 5. 1 over 5 power 2, it will be 1 over 25 power 2. And the middle first time second change the sign here will be a positive, and L times 1 over 5, it will be L over 5. Next question. Number 18. Number 18, 8a power 3 plus 0.001 1 thousandths. We can write two brackets. Cubic root of the first, it will be 2a, Cubic root of 1,000th, it will be 1/10. And 2a power 2, it will be 4a power 2. This number power 2, it will be 100th. And the middle first and second, change the sign, it will be negative. 2 times 0.1, it will be 0.2a. Understood? Next question. Factorize expression number 4. We have L power 4 plus 64. L, we can write L هتكون factor between two terms. L power 4 divided by L equal L power 3, and 64 L divided by L equals 64. You can write L here and small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first, it will be L, and cubic root of 64 equal 4. L power 2, it will be L power 2, and 4 power 2 equals 16. In the middle, first and second, change the sign between them. Next question number 9. 54x power 4 y power 4. Subtract by 16x y power 5. We can write هتكون factor between 54 and 16. We can divide it by what? Divided by 8? No. Divided by 2? Yes. Because we want to find cubic root. Write 2 here, and x power 4 repeating an x. Y power 4 and y power 5. Write power 4. 54 divided by 2 equal 27. X power 4 divided by x power 3. Y power 4 divided itself 1. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. X divided 8 x 1. Y power 5 divided y power 4, it will be y. Y power 5, and this y power 2, sorry, y power 2. Y power 5 divided y power 2, it will be y power 3. You can complete factorizing this expression. Write 2x y power 2, small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of 27x power 3, it will be 3x. And the cubic root of 8y power 3, it will be 2y. 3x power 2, it will be 9x power 2. Negative 2 power 2, it will be 4y power 2. And in the middle, write sign here negative, it will be positive. Change, and 2 times 3 6, x product y xy. Okay, understood? Question number 10. Third x power 3 plus 9 equal, we can write third هتكون factor between together, or write 9 because 9 greater than third. Write 9 هتكون factor. This number third divided by 9, third and 9, we can write 9 هتكون factor, and 9, but the 9 will be 1 over 27. If we product them, the result will be 1 over 3. X power 3 plus 9 divided by 9 equal 1. And then write 9 also, small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first, it will be 1 over 3x. Cubic root of 1, it will be 1. 1 over 3x power 2, it will be 1 over 9x power 2. 1 power 2, it will be 1, and the middle first and second change the sign will be negative. 1 over 3x. This is question number 10. Number 11. Half x power 3 minus 4. We can write هتكون factor between half and 4. It will be 4. Half divided by 4 equal 1 over 8. 1 over 8 x power 3, 8. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Write 4 product by factorizing cubic root of the first, it will be half x minus 1. Half x power 2, it will be 1 over 4 x power 2. Negative 1 power 2, it will be 1. In the middle, first and second change the sign. The result will be 1 over 2x. Question number 3. We have x minus 2 product by x power 2 plus 2x plus 4 plus 7. We know this expression was factorizing. This expression was factorizing about x power 3 minus 8 plus 7 here, okay? And then we can simplify negative 8 plus 7, it will be negative 1. Then you can write x power 3 minus 1. And then you can also factorize expression by product between two brackets, cubic root of the first and second, and x power 2 negative 1 power 2, and the middle first and second, change the sign between them. Next question, number 4. X power 3 minus 1 product by x power 3 plus 1 subtract by 63. We have here product between two conjugate terms, first by first and second by second. X power 3 times x power 3, it will be x power 6. Negative 1 times 1, it will be negative 1 minus 63. Right, x power 6, negative 1 minus 63, negative 64. You can factorize this expression and greater, and cubic root of the first, it will be x power 2, and cubic root of 64 equal 4. Okay, and also you can factorize expression by cubic root. You can also like this, the simplest about factorizing. Square root of the first will be x power 3 subtract by square root of this number, it will be 8, and x power 3 also plus 8. We can factorize this expression also small and greater. X subtract by 2, cubic root of the first and second, x power 2 negative 2 power 2, and the middle, write the sign here positive, change the sign and write 2 times x, and write product between two brackets here, cubic root of the first and the second, x power 2 and 2 power 2 4, and the middle negative 2x. Okay, it's the simplest form of this question. Next question, number 21. If x plus y over 3 minus z equal 9 over 9 plus 3z over z power 2, find the numerical value of the expression. Okay, look at with me. We have x plus y over 3 minus z equal 9 plus 3z plus z power 2 over x power 2 subtract by xy plus y power 2. We can product extremes and means. The product of extremes equal product of means. X power 2 minus xy plus y power 2 product by x plus y, and then product 3 minus z by 9 plus 3z plus z power 2. This expression, the difference or a2 between 2 cubed, x power 3 and y power 3, x power 3 plus y power 3, and here 3 power 3 equal 27 subtract by z power 3. Then he won't find the value of x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3. You can move the negative z power 3 to left hand side. Then x power 3 plus y power 3 plus z power 3, it will be equal 27. Then the answer here equal 27. Next question. If a times b equal 10 and a minus b equal 3, find the numerical value of a power 3 minus b power 3. A power 3 minus b power 3, we can find the difference between cubed, small brackets and greater brackets, cube of the first and the second, a power 2 and also b power 2, and the middle first and second, change the sign. He give us the difference between, he give us this information: a times b equal 10 and a minus b equal 3. Okay, I solved this example at the book last time. In this information we want two numbers, the product of them equal 10, and if we find the difference between them equal 3. يعني انت ممكن تفكر معايا، ايه رأيك؟ ها، انا عايز هنا two numbers، ال a number وال b number، product اليوم 10، فهنا هاخد 5 و 2. ليه؟ لان انا عايز هنا اعملهم subtract، اقول 5 minus 2 يديك 3، فالفاليو اللي a تبقى 5 والb ب 3 والb ب 2، يعني ال a هعوض عنها 5 والb تبقى عندي ب 2. طب a minus b بقى عوض، هو جابها لك a minus b ب 3. طيب a باور 2، a باور 2 اللي هي 25، a times b يعني 2 times 5 equal 10 plus b باور 2، ال b اللي هي 2 باور 2 4، يبقى عندي هنا 3 times 25 times 10 equal 15 plus 4. Okay, the result will be 19. 3 times 9 27, 7 and carry up to 1 times 3 3 plus 2 equal 5. The result will be 57. مهم جدا الكوتشن ده يا ولاد، جه في كتاب مدرسة، مهم جدا جدا. طبعا كوتشنز برضو حليناه قبل كده، ده كرييتيف ثينكينج. ماشي، تعالى نحله. ماشي، ركز معايا كده، بسم الله. ركز هنا بيقول لي factorize completely. we have x plus 5 whole power 4 subtract by x minus 5. طيب هنا ممكن اخد النيجاتيف هتكون factor between two terms اللي هنا، فيبقى x plus 5 whole power 4 subtract by x plus 5. And then we can write this brackets outside common factor because it was repeating, right? X plus 5 and this brackets divide itself, it will be x plus 5 whole power 3 subtract by this expression divide itself, it will be 1. And then you can factorize expression. We have the difference between two cubed. You can write x plus 5 in brackets and open small brackets and greater brackets. Cubic root of the first, it will be x plus 5, and cubic root of negative 1, negative 1. X plus 5 all power 2, negative 1 power 2, 1. And the middle, write positive, first and second, change the sign, positive x plus 5. Okay, you can simplify also this expression. We have 5 minus 1 equal 4. Okay, you can simplify it. X plus 5 product by x plus 4, and here x plus 5 over power 2 plus x 5 plus 1 equals 6. It's the simplest form of this expression.